Hey there, welcome to another lesson where we will be solving exam type questions together. Let's take a look at this question. A green box contains 9 red balls and 6 blue balls. If 2 balls are selected at random with replacement, find the probability that 1. The 2 balls are of the same color, and 2. The first ball selected is green. Let's begin with the first one. The probability that the 2 balls are of the same color. What this means is that either the 2 balls are red or the 2 balls are blue. So what we want to do is to find the probability of obtaining 2 red balls and add it to the probability of obtaining 2 blue balls. Now, the probability of obtaining a red ball is 9 over 15. So, for 2 red balls, we have 9 over 15 times 9 over 15. And the probability of obtaining a blue ball is 6 over 15. That is 6 over 15 times 6 over 15 for the probability of obtaining 2 blue balls. Now, we can reduce 9 over 15 to 3 over 5. So, in the first bracket, we have 3 over 5 times 3 over 5. And we can also reduce 6 over 15 to 2 over 5. So for the second bracket, we now have 2 over 5 times 2 over 5. Now, solving what we have in the brackets first, we have 9 over 25 plus 4 over 25. And adding this together gives us 13 over 25 for the first part of the question. Now, the second part requires us to find the probability that the first ball selected is green. Now, there are no green balls inside the box. So what this means is that the probability of obtaining a green is 0 over 15, which is equal to 0. Now, let's look at another example. The probability that Mensa will pass his maths exam is 2 over 3, and the probability that he will pass his English exam is 1 over 3. If he must pass both English and math to qualify for the school scholarship, what is the probability that he fails to qualify for the scholarship? Now, what we want to do here is to first find the probability that he will qualify. Let's call that Q. Now, this we are going to get by multiplying the probability of passing the math exam by the probability of passing the English exam. That is 2 over 3 times 1 over 2, which gives us 1 over 3. This is the probability that he qualifies. But then, we are asked to find the probability that he fails to qualify. That is, we find the negative probability that he qualifies. So, the probability that he does not qualify will be gotten by subtracting the probability that he qualifies from 1. That is 1 minus 1 over 3. And this gives us 2 over 3 as our final answer. And this is how you solve problems on probability. Make sure you get more questions and keep practicing.